This is a nice little truck here. The fifth plate's all done. Looks like Iowa Customs does this one. They sell truck accessories. But this is a work show truck kind of material here. The stretch frame, Peterbilt, $379. But it looks really good. Nice paint job. Got some metal flake on it. Looking real good. Got the grill all set up. Painted the mirrors too. But it looks like it's all truck show material here. It's looking really sweet. That's the way all the trucks should look, with some pride when you go down this road. Until the bugs start hitting it. But you can see what I do with mine, because I was raised when it comes to this kind of look. But that's what they call the flat top for the sleeper. And those are straight pipes. It's looking good. Iowa Customs. You guys are doing good.